beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jane here, and if you're new here, hi, and I'm from the page Cigmatra. Today I'm going to teach you how to paint simple landscape for beginners. And this painting is going to be done with gouache, but if you want to go with watercolors, please do go ahead, and you can also use the colors of your choice. If you recreate, please do tag me from the Instagram page Cigmatra. I'd be very happy to see and share. So personally, I love this combination of purple and yellow, and I thought I could share it with you through a painting. And I hope you like this video, so please do watch the video till the end. And here we go. So for this, you will require masking tape or sellotape, the colors of your choice, sketchbook. The sketchbook that I have today is from Zaria, and it is a cold pressed sketchbook. It is of 300 GSM, 100% cotton, and it's good for watercolor, gouache, and even for acrylics. You will require some water, some brushes, and a mixing palette. Now let's mask all the first sides to get the clean edges once when we done with the painting. So since this paper is being 100% cotton, I'm going to wet the paper so the paper stretches properly and evenly, and even the color spreads on them so beautifully. So it's always good if you could wet the paper or stretch the paper. And this is going to be wet on wet technique. And if you haven't checked out my 12 basic watercolor techniques for beginners, what are you waiting for? You can just go and watch it out and learn something new today. The link will be linked down in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. Also, coming back to our painting, first I'm going to apply a very thin layer of purple, and then once the first layer gets dried, I'm going to apply or add more color if required. So you can see the paper are being seen under the painting. So this doesn't really be like a gouache painting. This looks like much more like a watercolor painting, because gouache really has to be thick, and the painting will not reveal the paper underneath. The paint itself will cover the paper. So that's a huge difference between what you paint with watercolors and what you paint with gouache. So right now I added more amount of paint to it, and you can see how beautifully the gouache is covering of the paper. Also guys, I am planning on to make a video of how to blend gouache, because it is being constantly asked by my followers from Instagram. So please do press the notification bell so you will be notified to check on the video when I post it. Right now I'm going to add yellow, and then you can see how it is going to get beautifully blended with the purple. And the yellow that I've used here is yellow ochre and also lemon yellow. It's a mixture of both. And once when this yellow is getting blended with purple, you can see the color change. There is a little bit of red or rose tint in between. And I feel like that's the beauty of blending, because blending has to be done properly. If you don't blend properly, you will be ended up with muddy colors in between, or the paints might turn muddy in between. That would really make your painting ugly. So it is really essential to learn the blending technique. So you really have to go check it out, my blending techniques for watercolors, and new video is coming up very soon for the blending techniques for gouache. So have eye on it. Right now I'm just blending it with my hand, so you can see a little bit of white illusion around the actual moon size. Then it looks bigger than the actual moon size, because that will really add more depth to the painting. So these are little techniques that you learn through videos or learn something from someone, and you learn something new today, so be happy. And right now it's water brush. This is a very tiny brush that I'm going to use, and I'm going to draw more elements to add more beauty to the painting. So here we go. And yes, a simple landscape painting is finally done. This is exclusively for beginners. So if you are trying to find a new hobby, you can go get your paints and brushes and paint today, and also share it with your friends, or if you want to spread it to the world, please do share because it will really be a motivation for me to make more videos for you. So guys, happy painting and God bless you. Bye bye.